Hey everyone, it's Vanessa. I work at the Sephora located in Walnut Creek, California, and today I'll be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. If you have dry, sensitive skin accompanied with adult acne, this video is for you, so just keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to be using the Farmacy Green Makeup MELTAWAY Cleansing Balm with ECHINACEA GREENENVY. I absolutely love this cleansing balm just because it's nourishing and it removes everything. It literally saves time from using like 3-4 different products just to take off your makeup. Balms are also great for dry skin because it doesn't dry you out. And this is particularly my favorite because it doesn't leave that oily residue. Like you can take it off with one rinse. So I just like to work it in sections. So I start off with my cheeks and then work my way up to my forehead. And then I do my lips and my eyes as well. So usually if I was at home, I'd actually be rinsing it with the sink. So I'm going to be using a damp washcloth instead. So see, it removed literally everything. I don't have to get an eye makeup remover or nothing, just that. All right, so now I'm gonna go into my double cleanse and I'm gonna be using the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is such a great cleanser because it's gentle and any skin type can use it, but I particularly like it for my dry skin because the seed oil helps to nourish and the cucumber actually soothes as well. So I like to work it in like I do my other cleanser, just working it in the cheeks, forehead, and then I'll work it into the rest of my face. So usually if I was at home, I'd be rinsing it in front of a sink, but today I'm going to be using a damp washcloth. So I'm just going to be patting dry. So for my next move, I'm going to be using my absolute favorite exfoliator. It's the Peter Thomas Roth FIRMX Peeling Gel. So this is literally my favorite exfoliator because there's no physical scrub to it. It uses enzymes like pineapple and pomegranate as well to roll, lift, and sweep away the dead skin. I only use about a quarter size. You don't need a lot. You just work it in, again, section per section. So I like to start with my cheeks and then work around my nose, my chin, and then my forehead, doing small circle motions. It might feel a little gross, like you're literally gonna see your dead skin like popping off. It might be a new experience for you when it comes to exfoliators, but don't be alarmed. It's actually doing its job. It's supposed to lift and sweep away the dead skin that's sitting on top. It's so satisfying, and it really brightens your skin too after that. And once again, rinse away. I'm gonna be using a damp washcloth. So I'm gonna pat dry my skin for the next step. So next off, I'm gonna be using the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. It's hydrating and soothing. You can actually use this to set your makeup with as well. It's technically supposed to be a spray, but I like to use my toner with my hands. So I actually spray it into my hands and then just work it in, just lightly pressing, not pulling. So because I just exfoliated my skin, I actually really love to use masks, especially hydrating masks. So for my next step, I'm using the Sephora Collection Coconut Face Mask. This mask is great for dehydrated skin because it nourishes and soothes, and it actually also helps reduce the redness that you might experience from the exfoliation. You want to leave it in for about 15 minutes and just, another great way to spook the kids. So after the 15 minutes are up, you're going to want to just peel it off. You don't need to rinse this off. You want to keep that extra moisture in and just pat it in. So for my next step, I'm going to be using the Biossance Squalane plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. So now I'm just going to lightly press it in, just slowly working it in. I absolutely love this because it brightens my skin and it fades dark spots and it smooths my uneven texture. I was left with pitted scarring and bigger pores with my adult acne. So obviously the vitamin C helps to brighten your skin, but the squalane actually helps to hydrate your skin. Another thing I want to note, this oil is non-comedogenic, so you don't have to worry about it breaking you out. So for my next step, I'll be using the Kiehl since 1851 Ultra Facial Cream. Now, I love this cream for night just because it's a little bit thicker and it actually helps keep my skin hydrated for longer. It helps to absorb the moisture from the air. So when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels really plump. And I just like to press it in and it just feels so good. So for my next step, I'm going to be treating my dark circles. I'm going to be using the OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Creme. This is rich in vitamin C to really help fade away those dark circles. It also makes a great base for concealer. And another fun fact, it was inspired by the makeup artist Banana Powder, so it instantly brightens and color corrects as you apply it. And I just like to apply about a rice grain amount for each eye and then just work it in with your ring finger. Your ring finger has the lightest touch so it won't bruise your under eye. So for my last step, I'm going to be using the Farmacy Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm. I absolutely love this lip balm because it's not really waxy. It's natural ingredients and it helps prep for lipstick too in the morning. It's rich in antioxidants as well. My lips feel super soft and supple in the morning. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you ended up liking the video, go ahead and thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great night.